Dear world, the world I'd like to live in is a world no plastic, no pollution, where you can actually swim in beautiful oceans.
Dear world, I wish that our world that we live in is not too many buildings and not too many things that pollute the world.
Dear world, in the future that there be no more wars, no more killing, no more guns or no more violence.
Dear world, I hope to see the changes that we make from this world being helping animals come back, making less extinct, bringing more to life than just destroying it, and break down buildings and regrow our world to make it a better place for everyone and all the generations to come.
So our initiative, Climate Change a Tune, is obviously targeting Goal 13, climate action. We wanted to be the change in our community after the devastating floods that inundated our school.
Now, the city of Lismore in northern New South Wales became the centre of attention this year after a series of record-breaking floods destroyed the CBD and damaged thousands of homes.
But despite the hardships, kids at a local independent school say that they've had one of the best years of their life, and that is thanks to their remarkable teacher.
We hope that our initiative is inspiring children around the world to not just take climate action, but if they see an issue in their local community, if they see no one taking action or it's not doing enough, that they be the change. The Upschool course was life-changing. I didn't realise how far we could have gone and have come without it. It's just so cool to see our progress and the impact we've made.
The Upschool courses were different because in other courses we were just learning about it, but with Upschool we were actually making a difference and actually doing something about it. Instead of just learning about it, we were doing both.
So one day on Friday we sat at our principal's farm and we wrote a song, probably took 2 hours, and that's how Climate Change a Tune was born.
I believe that the song was a really incredible impact, and I personally think it was quite amazing how it was taken to the United Nations. It was presented there. It was presented at the Asian Pacific Conference, and it was presented in Parliament.
We were trying to convince everyone to play their part in climate action and actually making an impact with it, because everyone can do, whether it's a little thing or a big thing, to help with climate action.
So participating in the Upschool Be the Change program, I guess, was kind of a bit of a breath of fresh air to bring into the classroom. It's kind of been my philosophy for a long time that whatever we do in the classroom should never remain in the classroom, but should always have an impact out in the world. And what Upschool aims to develop is to do exactly that and provide teachers and schools with a really handy scaffold to be able to bring learning into the classroom and out of the classroom in a really impactful way.
We love